Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can secure your old Google account easiest way. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. First, open your browser and go to this website g.co/recovery. Search this on your browser and here you can see account recovery. Recover your Google account. So simply give email or phone number. So I'm going to click on next and then you need to give your password. Now click on next again and click on continue and click on continue. So after logging successfully, you need to go to security to check your Gmail. So you can see in here this icon, the green icon, you have security tips and here you can see the green icon. So it means all is okay in our account. If you don't see this icon in here or any type of red icon in here, then you need to add something in here. So you can see I add everything for my account. If you don't add, you can see another type of icon or empty bar in here, empty space in here. Then you need to add information based on your account. So guys, this way you can easily secure your Google account. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.